Ezekiel chapter 37, from verse 1. Ezekiel says, the hand of the Lord was upon me, and he took me by the Spirit, and put me in a place where there was dry bones. And the Lord spoke unto Ezekiel and asked him a question. Do you believe that these bones can come to life? And Ezekiel had to reply to God and say, it's only you, God, who knows. I am speaking to someone who is surrounded by dry bones in their lives. Speaking to someone who is surrounded by situations, that things in their lives where somebody have given up in everything, where they think there's no life in everything they're doing. But the Lord is speaking to you this wonderful moment, that do you believe that the bones which are surrounding you can come to life again? Do you believe that the marriage that is failing in your life can come to life? Do you believe that whatever that you have given up on, it can come to life again? I just want to see you standing strong and say with pride that it is only you, God, who knows. I want you to sing this song with understanding, that we conquer not by our understanding, but we conquer by the power of the Lord. Let's go together.